a B tree of order M. It is a multi-way search tree. Okay, so a B tree of order M, if non-empty, it is a multi-way M-way search tree in which first point is in which the root has at least two child nodes. Okay, and at the same time it has at most, as this is the order is M, multi-way M, so at most M child nodes. Okay, so this is the property, first property. Second property is that the internal nodes except the root has at least ceiling of m by 2 number of child nodes, and at most m child nodes will be there. Okay, so the root has at least two child and at most m child, and all internal nodes other than the root has ceiling number of m by 2 number of child nodes, and at most m child nodes will be there. And the third property is that the number of keys in each internal nodes is one less than the number of child nodes. One less than the number of child nodes, and the keys are arranged in some and the keys are arranged in some ascending order. Okay, and all leaf nodes are in the same level. So these are the total 4 definition. Actually the characteristics definition of a B tree. This is the characteristics definition of a B tree. Okay, so root has at least two child nodes. At the same time, at most m child nodes, where this is a multi-way M way order M, B tree of order M. The internal node except the root has at least ceiling number of ceiling m by 2 number of child nodes and at most m number of child nodes. Okay, so this m is italic. The keys, the number of keys, the number of keys in each internal nodes in each internal node is one less than, it is one less than the number of child nodes, and the keys are arranged in some ascending order, in some ascending order. This should be bold, and all leaf nodes are in the all leaf nodes are in the same level. So total 4 characteristics definition. Okay, now we have to visualize a B tree. So this is a B tree. Okay, so let it is an example of B tree whose order is 5. Okay, is it visible, the tree?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So
Yes, sir.
here the m value, here the value of m is 5. Okay, here m is 5. So its order is 5. That means it has at most 5 children. Okay. One more thing, as all leaves are on the same level. So for insertion a particular node, this particular B tree grows in upward direction. So it grows in root direction. Okay, because all leaves are on same level. So this is a, let B tree of order m. M is 5. Okay, so 5, when you are given that m is 5, then you can say that it has k m minus 1, m minus 1. So the number of keys in each internal node is 1 less than the number of child nodes. So if m is the order, so it has at most m number of children, right? All internal nodes and all root nodes have at most m number of child nodes. So if the order is 5, m is 5, then there will be total 5 number of child nodes. So how many keys are there? So keys are 1 less than the number of child nodes. So keys will be 5 minus 1, 4. Okay. So this is called a 4-5 tree because it has 4 key values and 5 children. Okay. So other than the root, all internal nodes have at least ceiling of m by 2. All internal nodes except the root has at least ceiling of m by 2. So ceiling of 5 by 2, that is 2.5, its ceiling value, that is 3. So all internal nodes except the root has at least 3 children and at most 5 children in our particular example. So other than the root, all internal nodes have at least 3 child nodes and maximum is 5. Okay. So now you have to calculate the number. So all internal nodes except the root has at least 3 child and at most 5 child. So how many keys will be there? Any suggestion? If all internal nodes have at least 3 children and at most 5 children, then how many keys will be there? Any suggestion? Anyone?
4.
At most 4 and at least
At least Three maybe.
Why 3? Key is 1 less than the child nodes.
Sir,
The
2.
number of the number of key in each internal node is 1 less than the number of child nodes. Okay, so that's why at least 2 keys will be there and maximum number of keys will be 4. Is it clear? Key values. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So 7 uh, so the definition is that all leaves are on same level. All internal nodes except the root have, so the root have all internal nodes except the root have ceiling number of m by 2, less than is equal to non-empty children, less than is equal to m. So maximum is m, at most is m, and at least is ceiling of m by 2 all internal nodes. And the number of keys in such node is 1 less than the number of its non-empty children. And within each node, the keys are arranged in some order, ascending order, such that K1. So K1 is less than K2, K1 is less than K2, which is less than M minus 1. So these are the keys. Okay. Just like 7 is less than 16. So 7 is K1, 16 is K2. Here in this leaf node, 1, 2, 5, 6, it is arranged in ascending order. So K1, K2, K3, and K4. Is it clear? K1, K2, K3, K4. Why K4? So K4. So K4 means K m minus 1. So K 5 minus 1, that is K4. Here 5 is m is 5. So this is the number of keys, and number of childs are denoted by these small white circles. So these are the number of childs and these are the number of keys. 1, 2, 5, 6. These are the keys. Okay. Starting from K1. So K1 is just like K1 is less than K2, which is less than K3 up to Km minus 1. In our example, M value is 5. So K of M minus 1, K of 4. So K1, K2, K3, K4. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Here 7 and 16, 7
Yes,
and
sir.
16, K1 and K2 for this particular root node. Let this is a root node. Okay. So 7 is K1 and 16 is K2. Now look carefully. These all nodes 1, 2, 5, 6, these all are less than 7. Okay. This middle node containing 9 and 12, these are less than 7 and 16. Similarly, these are greater than 16, 18, 21. Okay.
So
So the root
here
has,
what key is used?
sorry,
Sir, like instead of the childs, like what value will the childs hold if the keys are having these values?
if the keys are, these are the all child nodes. Child of 7, that is 1, 2, 5, 6. Child between 7 and 16, 9 and 12. Child greater than 16, 18 and 21. I will explain you the example. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So each root node has, so these are the property for the internal nodes, and the root node has at most m child, root node at most m child, but may have at least 2. This is the main difference between internal node and the root node. Please look it carefully. The internal node has at least ceiling of m by 2 number of nodes. This is the formula, but the root node has at least 2. Okay. But at most the internal node has m child, at most the root has m child. These are similar. Okay. Now insertion. So the insertion algorithm, what is the insertion algorithm? If the, so insertion, it's procedure. So if the node is not full, if your node is not full, then the new key is added to the leaf node and the insertion is finished. Okay, you have to insert the new key, your key value, at the leaf node and insertion is finished. If the node is full, then suppose the node is full, then what should I do? Then we have to, then we know that uh, the increasing part is always in upward direction. It increases in upward direction because the all leaves are in same level. To maintain the same level, all leaves are in same level, we have to grow the tree in the upward direction. Okay, so if the node is full, then we have to split. Then we have to split the node, split the particular node into two nodes, okay, side by side on the same level, except the median key. Okay, the median key is not put. So the rule is that you have to split the node into particular node into two nodes side by side in the same level and find out the median key, and the median key is not put in the either of the new nodes. Instead of it, it is sent up. Okay, sent up to the tree, and when a key is added to a full root, suppose the root is full, when a key is added in a full root, then the root is again splitted into two nodes side by side in the same level and find out the median, and the median now becomes the new root. So in this way, the your tree grows in upward direction because all leaves are in same position. Let the value of m is 5. So this is the main property. This that is why B tree grows in height in upward direction. In your root direction, upward direction, it grows. Up to this, any query? I will explain with the example. Up to this, any query?
Um, Sir, suppose
Noted.
that all the leaves are full
Yes.
and then we insert another,
Yes.
uh, then obviously the root will also get full at some point.
Yes.
So suppose the leaves are full and the roots are full, then we insert one again.
Yes.
So it will then split the roots.
Yes. The last point is that when a key is added to a full root, the root splits into actually
Yeah.
two nodes. Okay, actually into two nodes, and the median key. You have to find out the median key, and the median key is sent upwards. Now it becomes the new root.
Um, Sir, then all the leaves won't be in the same level, no?
All the
Because the
leaves,
earlier root
obvious,
will be now leaves.
all the leaves, you have to maintain the property. All the leaves in the same level.
Okay, so we will have to make another function for that also, right?
Yes. So B tree with M5, value of M is 5. So what do you mean by M5? If you are given that in your exam, say construct a B tree is a height balance, B tree, construct a B tree with order 5. So what do you mean by this particular sentence? Order 5?
Means m equals to maximum number of childs is 5.
So order 5 is m is 5. So maximum number of child in root. You can easily define maximum number of child in root and in all internal nodes are 5. Okay. But how many, at least how many childs will be there?
So in root it will be 2 and in the internal nodes it will be m by 2. Ceiling of m by 2.
Ceiling of m by 2. So for all internal node, it will be ceiling of m by 2, but for root it would be only 2. At most, both root and internal node will contain maximum 5. So let this is a m is 5. So m is 5. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The cursor is visible to you. The cursor.
Yes, sir, it's visible.
So this is first child. This is for first child. This is for second child. This is for third child, fourth child, and fifth child. So there will be total 5 childs at most 5 childs. So number of keys will be 5 minus 1, 4. So this is 12, one child, sorry, one key, first key 1. This is for second key, key 2, K2, K3, and K4. So K4 means K of M minus 1. K of M minus 1. So this is the rule that K1 through Km minus 1. Okay. Now 12. So for 12, 2, 3, 8, these are less than 12. Okay. Now 13, 27, these are greater than 12. So there will be total 2 nodes. Okay. So the root has between 2 and m children, and all non-root internal node has between ceiling of it is actually ceiling of m by 2 and m children. Okay. And all external nodes are at the same level. All external nodes are actually represented by null pointers in implementation. In your C or C++ implementation, this will be actually your null pointers. Okay. Now insert 10. Insert 10. So first of all, let uh, actually this is grown in upward direction. So m is 5. So m is 5. So first children, this is for second children, third children, fourth children, and fifth children. Okay. How to draw in your exam? Let this is first key 12. Then order is 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is 5. Now 1, this is 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. Now 2, 3, 8. 2, 3, 8, 13, 27. 2, 3, 8. So this is 2, 3, 8, 13, and 27. 13 and 27. Okay. Now we have to draw the links. So 12. So now write down this is the link, proper link. So from this is the actual link. Okay. Is it clear? Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
So m value is 5. Now insert 10. So how to insert 10? Any idea? 10.
Sir, it's less than 12 and there is a node free in the
So
left side, so we will just insert it.
insert 10. So insert 10. Okay. Next insert 11. Now insert 11. What should I do? Shourashish?
Sir, like there are four nodes, so which one should we take as median, the 3 or 8?
So this is K1, K1, K2, K3, K3, and this is your K4. This is your K4. Okay. Now you have to insert. Now you have to insert the 11. So 11 will be there. Okay. So 11 will be there. Now, so this is so which one is the median?
8.
Yes, 8 is the median. 8 is the median.
Yeah. So 8 should be pushed up and
So 8 should be pushed up upward direction, in the upward direction. Okay. So there is a room between there will be there is a room in the root. So this 12 is replaced here, and there will be a 8. There will be 8, and this node is splitted up. So in the first node there will be containing 2 and 3. In the second node there will be 10 and 11. Okay. So the new picture is insert 11. So 11 will be there. Is it visible to you? 11 will be there. Now
yes,
this
it's visible.
now this 8 will be splitted up. So 8, 12. Okay. 8, 12. And from 8 to 3, 2, 3 are less than, actually this pointer, this particular pointer should point to the last position. Okay. There, this will be the last position. This should point to the last position. I have to redraw this. And 10 and 11, again this pointer should point to this particular location. Shape. So this should point to this one, actually. Okay. Similarly, this should point to this one. And this should point to this particular location. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next. So this is the insertion. Okay. The root has between 2 and m children, and each non-root internal node has between ceiling of m by 2 and m children, and all external nodes are in the same level. Okay. So just take one example. Mm, just wait. Let m value is 4. Let m value is 4. Okay. So 1, 2, this is 3, and this is 4. Okay. And let this is 8, 96, and this is 116. So here value of m is 4. So what do you mean by value of m is 4? So what are the conclusions you can draw? You can write in your paper. So there will be total. Is it visible?
Yes, yes,
Yes, sir.
visible.
So this your root is full, 8, 96, and 116. So K1, K2, K3, all roots are full. So here the root is full. So there will be at most m children. There will be at most m children. So from this, from this, from this, and from this, total 4 children will be there. Okay. Now you have to draw total 4 nodes, 1, 2, 3, and last one is 4. So first one, this is the second one, this is for third one, this is for fourth one. Similarly, 1, this is 2, 3, and this is 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and last one is 4. 1, 2, 3, and last one is 4. Okay, let this is 2 and 7, 2 and 7. Let this is your uh, 37. Let this is 37, 46, 46, and 55. 55. Let this is 55. Okay, this is 104, 104, and 110. 110, 110. This is let 137, 137, and 145. 145. Okay. Now insert 4. Now insert 4. First insert.
Sir, it will go to the left side, extreme left, and 7 will be shifted 1 to the right, and 4 will be inserted.
So insert 4. Insert 4 means 7 is shifted right. So this is your 4. 4 is inserted and 7 is shifted. Okay. Okay. Now insert 5. What should I do? Insert 5.
So it will again go to the left side, but the nodes are full, so we need to send the median upwards. So, but there are 4 nodes. Which one should we take the median?
So two, the keys are arranged in ascending order. So first of all, write down your 5 here. Okay. Now exchange. Now exchange, that is rearrange. That is 2, 4, 2, 4, 5, and 7. 2, 4, 5, and 7. Okay. So the median is, so the median is, which one will be the median? Any
Sir,
idea?
any of the elements between 4 and 5.
So we choose median as 5. Okay. We choose
Same.
median by 5 because we will take the ceiling value.
Okay.
Now 5 is moved upward. Okay. So 5 is inserted here. 5 is inserted here. So 5, 8, 96, 16, 116. Your root is full. So what should I do?
Sir, again send the median up. That
So
is, here
96,
median will be 96.
96 is the root. You have to restructure. You have to restructure this. Uh, you have to restructure the entire tree.
Yeah.
So this is the entire insertion.
So can you tell like what should be the tree after this?
Okay, so you have to draw this. So 96 is the root.
Yeah.
So 96 is the root. So 1, 2, 3, and this is your 4. So 96 now becomes the root. Okay. 96 now becomes the root. Now this tree is this node is splitted 5. So first of all, 5 will be splitted up. 5 will be splitted up. So 2 and 4. 2 and 4. So first of all, we have to split this. Just 1 second. Uh, as this is grown in upward direction, so you have to first write the leaf. Otherwise, you can't construct the tree. First of all, 2 and 4. 2 and 4 will be there. 2 and 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So 2 and 4 will be there. Yeah, 2 and 4 will be there, and 2, 4, 5, 7. Okay, 2, 4, 5, 7. So 7, 7. 1, this will be your 2, 3, and 4. So what is the position of 7? 7 will be there. Okay. Now 5. There will be 5. So 37, 46. So these nodes will be in the same position. These nodes will be in the same position. Okay. And uh, so the intermediate position, so at the intermediate position, there will be 5, 5, but you can't write this because all are in same level. Shorashish, all are in same level. So you have to push this 5 in the root. So push this in the root. So after pushing, you can split the root again. So your root is this one and this one, and this is your new root. So 1, this is 2, this is 3 and 4. 1, this will be 2, this will be 3 and 4. Similarly, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So there will be 96. 96 will be there. 96 will be there, and 5, 8. 5, 8. So 5, 8. 5, 8, and after that 5, 8, 116. 116 will be there. Okay. So 5. So all the elements are less than equal to this. All the elements are in between 5 and 8. Okay. And for 116, there will be some elements. Sorry. As this is 116, 100, so 37, 46, 655. 37, 37, 37,
So these
46.
will be the right child of 8, no?
Right
These
child of
37, right child of 8.
Yes, right child of 8.
37, 46,
Yes,
and
yes,
50.
yes, yes, yes. That's why I'm drawing this. So this is the right child. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
And for
Yes, sir.
100 and for
104
so
and 110 will be left side
100
of the
for
node.
100, yes, 100 for 110, uh, this particular node is the left of 116, and 13745 is right child of 116. Okay, any queries, please? This is for insertion. In the next class we will discuss about the deletion. Any queries?
No, sir, understood.
Okay, then just
No, sir.
take the example. Please note it down. Just take the example. In the root, just make a note. This is for homework. Please send me some outputs between 2 or 3 days. The root contains 8, 96. Just write down m is 5. Order is 5. Let the order, please make a note. The order is 5. M value is 5. Okay. And the root contains 8, 96, 116. Okay. Now insert the the order is 5. The root contains 8, 96, and 116. And now insert 2, 7, 37, 46, 55, 86, 104, 110, 137, 145, 4, 5, 4, 5, 58, 6. Is it visible to you? This is your homework.
Yes, sir,
Please do
visible.
it. So insert. So my question is that your your m value is 5. It is given. Your m value is 5. Now insert this. Your m value is, it is 5. Okay, it is m value is 5, and the root contains the root contains 8, 96, 116 initially. Okay, uh, initially the root contains initially initially the root contains 8, 96, and 116. Okay, now insert 2, 7, 37, 46, 55, 86, 104, 110, 37, 137, 145, 4, 5, 58, and 6. Okay, so this is your homework, and please submit by either WhatsApp me personally describing your name and roll number by Thursday. Okay, so this is for insertion. In our next class we will discuss about the deletion.
Okay, sir.